You asked me if the lights work. Someone asked me if the lights work, so I'm going to show you that the lights work on my Gator 825i. These are the lights that I have on it. Those lights. Now, do the lights work? Okay, you're on back. See the backup lights work. The brake lights.
It's hard to see in this light.
And GPS works. Come on, come here and show them this.
Okay, here's one flashing. Now do the other side. Oh, here's this side. Okay.
You want to show the GPS working? Here on this side. That side, I guess. Oh, it's your GPS. So when I travel, I can have my GPS on. And I also got another receptacle down here. Let me show them. My telephone. Plug this in here. For my phone. Okay. So I got two cigarette lighters. One's hot and one is switched. And I put the GPS on here so that when I go traveling and put it in my toy hauler, I can see where I'm at, and I can also see my speed. See how fast I'm going, and see how it matches up with the speedometer of the truck, of the Gator. Okay. So